pretty flat all the way down here. Unless you've got, like, this is a brand new cutting board. So if your cutting board is, dead flat, and this is dead flat, and your technique is perfect, then I guess you could, but it's still not easy to do. The slight curvature here helps complete the cut, so you don't have that accordion effect. I think, especially if you have like a board that's a little bit not even, it's impossible to use this part for long cuts. If you're doing like if you were cutting this way, then it's okay, because the bottom, you don't have to worry about the bottom. If you're cutting like this, it's possible to end like in the middle. But if you're doing Ken, or if you're doing Oba or something like that, I don't think you'll make contact all the way through with the bottom of the board.